Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to create an account on Twitter. Before getting started, make sure to install the application. So since I've already installed the application, in case you haven't installed the application, what you have to do is you have to simply head towards your device's Play Store, and then on the search box type in Twitter and then tap on install button. So after you're done installing the application, tap on open. So first of all, you'll have to tap on create account, which is right in center. And after that, you'll have to select the language, so select it accordingly and then tap on next. Since we are creating an account, you need a first name, so then type in your first name and your last name. So after that, you'll have to provide your contact information, and there are two different options. You can either link with your phone number or an email address. So once you're done with your contact information, next move on with your date of birth, so make sure to enter the correct one. And once you're done, tap on next, which is right in the corner. So after that, you have an update, so make sure to go through it and then tap on next, which is right in the corner. So once again, there is a confirmation, so make sure to review all of your contact information and all of your personal information correctly, and then make sure to go to the terms and condition and then tap on sign up, which is right at the bottom. So what you have to do now is that you'll have to enter the verification code that will be sent to your email address or your phone number. And in case if you don't receive it, then you have an option that is didn't receive an email, so tap on it and then you'll have some alternative method on how you can recover it. And once you're done entering the verification code, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. Now you'll need to create a password, and once you're done, tap on next. Since we are creating an account, so you can either upload a profile picture or you can simply skip this part. So for now, I'll just skip this part, so just tap on skip for now. So this is actually my username. In case you don't like the username, then you can even customize it yourself, or you can select it from the suggestion below. Now in case if you want to sync your contact, then just tap on continue, and in case if you don't want to do that, just tap on skip for now. So after that, you'll have to select what you actually want to see on your feed. So you have multiple options, so select it accordingly what you're interested in. As you can see that the account has been created, and then in the top left corner of your screen there is a profile icon, and if you tap on it, you have all your profile information. So that is how you can create an account on Twitter. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.